What's going on YouTube, man? Trap Vision 3D, and it's September. And in September, we do what we do best, and that's buy watches.
But the band is what makes that unique. You either gotta love the band or not. That's right.
I want to bring to your attention on towards the end of this month, Kokomo Watch Company will be having an event, right? Whiskey, Wheels, and Watches is going to be phenomenal. Man. I've showcased these watches so many times before, right? I took them on vacation with me. But you're well represented with this bad boy right here. Now, I do have a 38mm version. This one has an exhibition case back, which I think is super dope, man. Yeah. That thing right there. Come on, man. I showed you guys live when I got them, and thanks to Kokomo for allowing me to see this. They're doing collaborations with other companies using different dial techniques and stuff. But here's the one thing that is a definite. Tariffs and increased watch prices are there. If you are one that's been considering having a watch that is customized, something that has your unique touch, something that you want on a watch, this is the place to go, right? If you're in the local area, I will reach out to the company and see, hey, when are you guys having classes for like building a watch? All right, because I did one a couple years ago, and I absolutely love the watch. The experience, it was really the experience that got me. Other thing too that I want you guys to know about Kokomo is it's more than just watch building. This is an age-old company, family-oriented, family-based business, and they're in the community. That's the one thing I like about it, because it's in Kokomo, Indiana. And once you go in there, you'll see they're like in the downtown area. It reminds you of just like a peaceful community, and it's great. It's great. They welcome me with open arms, man, and they're just more into like the interaction part, man. That's the one thing that we can talk specs and stuff like that, but that's the one thing that I enjoyed about the overall experience. But keep in mind, they are attached to Palmer's. So Kokomo Watch Company is the watchmakers portion of the business. Palmer's is more of the jewelry, and they have watches up front. So you'll go find your Seikos, you'll find an array of watches. You can buy jewelry, heirlooms. You can actually get knives and stuff engraved. You can get things engraved and whatnot. They got the best of everything in there, as far as I'm concerned. Plus, one thing I do like, they do give back. They had an event where they gave out a watch, and I loved being a part of that. But I just wanted to give you guys an option. Here's an option for you right now. You like Seiko, they do have Seiko, right? They have Casio, and they have an announcement to make at Whiskey, Wheel, and Watches, which, man, I can't wait for you guys to see it. I will be there. I will be streaming live, but I will capture some stuff. I'll try to get as many interviews as I possibly can. Now, they are 5-star rated. They are 5-star rated, and they're not only are they customized, they have their own watches. They do. So I highly recommend that if you're in the area, even if you're like a couple hours away, just come in and check it out. As far as watch vendors and stuff is concerned, I left all their information down below. So reach out to them and talk to them. Also, if you guys, you savvy watch lovers, if you have any questions or concerns or want something customized, and they do loom too. They do loom. They Cerakote stuff. They have a lot of options, and I'm putting the prices to like what you're going to be looking at to get a watch built or repaired or something like that.
Yesterday's price is not today's price.
Anything else, any specialty stuff, I would definitely reach out to them, talk to Adam or Jess over there, and yeah, enjoy, man. Like, don't let tariffs or any like availability of watches stop you from enjoying this hobby. Just, because I know we could talk about all the beautiful watches the beautiful finishings and things of that nature. The watch companies that are marketed very well, extremely well. But sometimes you may want that personalized touch. Now, me personally, I actually like the first, which this is a rendition of it. I have the 38mm version. They have a 40mm version, and I like this thing in all black. Beautiful. That thing is sweet, boy. They might not get this one back. But also, again, they're doing collaborations, right? This company is out of Michigan, I believe. So, and I got a chance to go out to the Bahamas with that watch. So, check them out. Let me know down in the descriptions, or just reach out to them directly. Tell them Trap sent you, and they may have something special for you. You know what I'm saying? Like with your shipping and stuff like that. I left a code down there, so if you want to buy something, or if you want to stop by, I'll be there. I'd love to meet you there if I haven't met you before. All right, so I'm out of here, man. I gotta go to work. To the next lightning strike, ladies and gentlemen, y'all be blessed.
Sorry ass DJ.